Nice.
Good morning, Mr. Mayor, Madam Chair, members of the council. My name is David Harris. I'm a civil engineer. I live in the Euclid, St. Paul area, and I sit on the Public Art Commission. And if you get the chance, check out the public art map on the St. Pete, the city's website. It's constantly being updated. It's great. Check it out. I'm speaking here as a design professional in the construction industry. I'm engaged in infrastructure development, planning, and policy. I support this resolution because I think it will add value to St. Petersburg, and it will continue to pay dividends over the long term. Public art projects tend to increase in value and help to enhance our culture and experience of residents and visitors. Art and culture contribute significantly to St. Petersburg's economic well-being through tourism, property values, investment, jobs, and positive media recognition. Of course, we all know about the American Style magazine. They just named St. Petersburg Best Mid-Sized City for Art for the 3rd straight year. We beat out Pittsburgh, Miami, and Atlanta. Public art improves the quality of life. You can look at Big Macs in South Stroud Park, and you can it'll be interesting to see what happens, what that space is going to feel like when it leaves. So you'll really get an idea of the impact. And of course, those Epling lizards are pretty cool too. And of course, you can imagine an Italian piazza without a fountain, and then you can imagine a courtyard with no public art. Public art projects an image, an attitude of appreciation of culture that draws people to that place and provides a unifying theme. Our local leadership gets it. Councilmember Danner, through PSTA, working to bring the Art and Transit program. It's going to be very neat, and I'm eager to see how public art is woven into the Downtown Waterfront Master Plan, the DWMP. This percentage allocated towards public art has been in place for 22 years, and with large-scale projects on the horizon, those funds could be put towards economic development that is directly fueled by culture and the arts. We could create a signature for this town. I hope this council passes this, and that we can continue to reign as the best city for art. Thank you.
Thank you.